Hello everyone, I am Shivansh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Shivansh Tech guys. In our previous tutorial we have understand the polyline command and guys today we are going to understand the spline command. We can activate the spline command just by going to the draw command bar and by selecting from here, or we can use the short key SPL then space. So first of all let's understand when we use spline command, when we need to use the spline command. When we wanna draw a smooth curve, so we can draw a smooth curve just by using the spline command. There are two types of spline command in AutoCAD. Number first is fit spline command, and number second is CV, control vertices. So alright guys, let's understand all the commands one by one. First of all, I have selected spline command. He asked me for the first point. Now I am giving the second point. I am giving third point here, giving here. So guys, as we can see, we can draw a smooth curve just by clicking anywhere, and we wanna get out from the spline command, we can directly press enter, or we can enter from here. So that guys, as we can see, we have draw a smooth curve here just by using the spline command. Let's understand. Let's try one more time. SPL. So guys, we can see. I suppose I just wanna enter, so we can directly press enter. Done. Let's select this. I have selected this. So guys, this is the point. If you will click here, so you will get the point which type of spline you wanna use, fit or control vertices. So guys, this is a fit spline. So like guys, done. This is a fit spline. We can change from here. So guys, and we can use these point to extend this spline like this. Just clicking on this, we can go here. We can extend this here. We can extend this here. I hope you understand how can we extend these. Okay. Alright guys. So and if we wanna add a point, so we can add any point just by clicking on this. Add a point. She asking for the where we wanna add point. I have add this point here, so I can adjust this point according to our requirement, according as we want. And let's suppose if you don't want this extra point, so you can remove this point, remove fit point. So guys, this is the spline that is created by using the fit point. It's a fit spline. Alright guys, I hope you understand. Let's understand the CV spline, control vertices spline. Let's delete this. SPL, enter space. Asking the first point. Sorry, again same as, then enter. Alright guys, let's select this. We can change from here. There's a control vertices. So guys, we can see there is only two control vertices. Point this, and third point is here, fourth is here, and fifth is here. Where we have clicked the control vertices, the curves not passes through all the points where we click control vertices. The curve created with the reference of these points, that is known as control vertices. We can also adjust the curve just by using this, extending this like this. We can extend these. Always, let's try once more. Let's delete this, and let's select the spline command from here. Let's select control vertices. This is asking for the first point. I give here. Our curve would created with reference to these points. Alright guys, let's enter. This is the done. If we wanna adjust this, so guys, we can extend these points like this or like this. According to our need, we can extend any point where we wanna draw. Alright guys, and we can also change spline type from here. If we will click our left click here, So we can change control vertices into fit or fit into control vertices. Alright guys. If we wanna add any vertex, any point we wanna add, so we can add. This is asking where we wanna add. I have add here. So let guys, this is a refined point. This is known refined vertices. We can also enter many points. If we wanna add many points like this, so we can use refined vertices. And if we wanna remove any vertices point, we would think that we don't need these vertices, so we can remove this vertex from here. So like guys, I hope you understand the spline command. I hope you today in this video we have understand spline command, when we use spline command, and the types of spline command, that is CV and fit spline. I hope you understand. If you understand the spline command, please like the video and like and share the video, and do subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for getting the notifications of new upcoming video. Thank you.